Thanks for stopping by Casks-n-Que, where whiskey and barbecue meet. I'm your host, Justin Lloyd, and today we're going to cook a venison backstrap. That's right, it's hunting season, and I'm going to show you how I made this delicious, juicy, tender, reverse seared backstrap. But first, we're going to fire up the smoker that just magically appeared in the background. We're going to roll with some cherry wood today. Down the chute. We'll use the last of our royal oak lump of charcoal. We got some cleaning to do. Little tumbleweeds. Here is a venison backstrap, allegedly. Let's pat it dry on both sides. Ew. We have some silver skin here that we want to trim off. You can do a lot or little here, but I'd like to get some of this off at least. And today we're going to use our brand new rub. This is filled to flame for all your wild game. It's got a little bit of goodness in it. We have some thyme and some rosemary, cracked black pepper, and we also have some crushed cayenne. It fits perfectly with any of your wild game. Check it out in the link below in the description box. Man, that thyme and rosemary really goes well with wild game. I'm gonna pat that in. Let's flip it over. Gosh, that smells good. All right, our smoker is at 250 degrees. Let's get this backstrap on there. There we go, just like so. Kind of make sure it's formed the way that you want it, because it'll cook that way. That backstrap is at 125 internal, so we're going to take it off, let it rest on the cutting board for just a few minutes while we get our blaze griddle fired up, smoking hot to give it a great sear. All right, that blaze griddle is smoking hot. Let's go ahead and get this backstrap on there for a great sear. Give that a couple minutes per side. I'm going to press down on it just a little bit to get that awesome sear, lock in those flavors, lock in the juices. This is going to be fantastic. That filled to flame, oh my gosh, you can smell it from here. It's herbaceous, it's got that thyme and rosemary and cayenne, garlic, salt, pepper. Ugh, it's phenomenal. If you're a hunter, you need to try this stuff. You'll know it's ready to release if it's easy to pull away. It looks like it kind of is, so yeah, there we go. Good sear. Let that go for another few minutes. All right, we're a minute and a half in. I think we're good. Let's take it off. We're gonna let this rest for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and slice into it with a little bit of garlic and butter mix. It's gonna be divine. Okay, so we've let this rest. We have our melted butter and garlic. Let's start slicing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, so tender. This is ridiculous. It's gonna be so freaking good. Look at that. It is perfect medium rare and juicy. I don't know if you can pick that up on camera, but my gosh. Okay, we got our melted butter and garlic. We're just gonna pour that over, or drizzle it, I should say, on those slices. Oh yeah. Oh baby, this is gonna be so good. Holy moly, I can't wait. Oh, look at that. It's amazing. Look at the juice dripping off of there. Yeah. That is freaking amazing. I don't even know what to say. Cherry wood. Hey, just do what I did in the video. Hey, if you like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell. It's going to help us out a lot. We really appreciate it. Thanks for sticking around, and this is Venison Backstrap. It's amazing. We'll see you next time.